Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important for all the people who are waiting for the onboarding in the IT companies. The reason is very simple because we are going to talk about two important companies, that is Capgemini and TCS, and what is the good news about these two onboarding companies. Okay, so we are going to discuss everything in detail. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end and try to understand each and everything that we are going to explain in our today's video, because this video is going to be important for freshers from 2022 batch, 2023 batch, and experienced employees who are waiting for joining in Capgemini and TCS. Soon we will be making video on Cognizant onboarding, Accenture onboarding, and Infosys onboarding. We are going to make a separate video on Wipro, what exactly is happening with Wipro and all of the employees, what should they do. Okay, so stay tuned for that as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates about all the IT industry. Okay, you'll be getting regular industry insights from our videos. Okay, so that is the reason. Please like this video, share it with all of your friends, and as I already mentioned, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let us move forward. Now, the number one thing that we want to discuss is TCS onboarding dates. Okay, TCS has already started sending the offer letters. Okay, and on the joining date, okay, for the people who are waiting, okay, for freshers and experienced, for majority of the freshers people, that is ninja, okay, or the experienced people, it is 16th of November, 20th of November, and 30th of November. Okay, you can go to your next step portal, and I suggest you to go from a desktop. Okay, open a desktop screen and then refresh the page, read the histories and everything. Okay, and then only cookies and everything, and then only go and log into your next step portal and then search for go to the date section wherein you get all the updates. Okay, so now here you will find that 16th November, 20th November, and 30th November are the joining dates. Now, one more thing, what would be the training locations? Okay, in some cases what we have observed is the training location and the joining location is different. Yes, that is true. Some people are getting training location as Trivandrum, that is in Kerala, and the joining location, actual joining location is after the training is Pune or something like that, right? Some people are getting the training location in Ahmedabad, okay, in Gujarat probably, and then they are getting the actual joining and work location will be Kolkata. So these are the things, right? And one more important thing is that for ninja and experienced employees, okay, for majority of the experienced employees, that the location is given as per their own choice. But for the ninja people, they have asked in one email, okay, they have sent TCS and the management team has sent an email for the priority wise option. Okay, some people only have got it, rest of them have not got it. Okay, so that is not a case to worry. Okay, now other set of people have the doubt that if I reschedule my joining, okay, should I do it or not? The first thing that I will tell you is please don't reschedule your joining, even if your location is something different. The reason is very simple, because if you are getting a joining letter right now, then you are the luckiest person alive. Okay, luckiest fresher right now. The reason is very simple, because these companies, like, they are facing some financial crunch. Okay, the clients from the US, from the Europe are facing some financial crunch. On top of that, the cherry on the top, like cherry on the top of the cake, is that the Israel and this Gaza war, right? And that is the reason people are tending to not onboard these big companies. So if you're getting an offer letter or a joining letter, please accept it as soon as possible. Please join on that particular date and don't try to reschedule it. Okay, unnecessary reasons don't use. Okay, and if it is you cannot even if there is a major issue, major reason, then only in that case you can think about rescheduling. Now, the location for people like ninja people are Pune, Kolkata, Noida, and Bangalore. Okay, apart from that, a very few people have got, but these are the people that have shared with us that they have got the offer letters and they have the joining letters, sorry, and the joining emails as well, location as well, and they have celebrated it with us. Okay, now let us come to Capgemini. Okay, now this is very important. A lot of people have been asking us that what about Capgemini onboarding dates. Okay, so guys, you might have seen a lot of videos on this particular point, but I just wanted to tell you guys that, see, everyone will make videos just for the sake of getting views and everything, right? But to convey my actual message, what I wanted to convey with this video was that if you are at all getting the joining letters, right, you are getting the joining date or training date, please don't be scared of the location, guys. Okay, so before COVID, what was happening, you were getting any random location and you have to go to that location, right? But after a couple of years, like after you get a good experience in the IT, okay, in these companies, what you can do is you can simply switch to the location where you want to get a job. Okay, for example, a person from North India is going to South India for training and then working there in Bangalore, right? So after 2 years of good working and good knowledge and acquiring everything, right, you can then go towards the cities that you want to work in, right? So this is the same case. The second point is, and the third point is that if you are getting a like joining letter, then please make sure that you join. The reason is very simple. A lot of people are waiting for joining letters and offer letters, but they are still not getting it. If you are getting it, then you are the luckiest person, really. I have repeated this point again, guys, okay, because it is very important. Now let us come back to Capgemini onboarding dates. Okay, so this onboarding is happening only for 7.5 LPA. We have earlier made a video on 4.25 and 5.5 LPA, but we did not get any updates regarding the 7.5 LPA. And a lot of people have asked us about the 7.5 LPA. So we are going to share it in this video that the joining dates are 9th November and 20th November. And in the next month, that is directly, we have not got any like messages from any people who have got joining on, like, I mean, the joining dates in December. But yes, 2nd Jan is again a date where they have got the joining letters. Okay, so only for 7.5 LPA, the joining dates are 9th November, 20th November, and 2nd of Jan. And okay, and the locations that these people have got is Bangalore and Pune. Okay, now there are no updates for 4.25 and 5.5 LPA as of now. Probably in the next quarter, starting in January. Okay, the conditions will be seeming better, little bit better. Right now in US, there is a holiday season, right? After 15th of November, everything is slowed down and everything is cooled down, right? And that there is a holiday season that is happening in the US, okay, and the Europe as well. So that is the reason there are less projects and the onboarding will also be slow, okay, compared to the Jan. Okay, in January and February you will be seeing mass hiring as well. Okay, there can be a possibility. I'm not giving you like a ashwasan, but yes, definitely there are chances of getting like good onboarding numbers, okay, in the Jan and Feb. Okay, guys, with this, we would like to end our video. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. We will happily answer all your questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is very important to get regular updates about the IT industry and all other IT insights. Okay, till then, bye bye.